Everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how we can easily download the Minecraft application or game on your desktop or PC in 2025. So before further ado, let's get into the video. First step is to open your desired browser. In this case, I'm going to use the Brave browser. And now I'll open a new tab and I will search for download Minecraft. Once you have the search, you will have to click on search. Now you can see the first option, which is download Minecraft and server software Minecraft. You have to just open that. And in here it will show download for Windows. If you are not using a Windows operating system, you can choose this one, look for another version, see below. So in this case it's for Windows, so I'm going to click on download for Windows. And now it will ask me to download this installer application. So I already have downloaded it, so I won't download it again. So you can see, once the download is completed, you can see this application on your desktop, which is Minecraft installer.exe. You'll have to open that. And now you'll have to click this page, like I have read and accept the Microsoft software terms license. So I'll click on the tick and I'll click on install. Now it will take some time depending on your internet connection speed. So once this step is completed, you will have the Minecraft game is ready to be played. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please do like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day.